Good afternoon, everyone. Let's all welcome the very popular, jolly, 5-years-old King Squirrel, Lala Chan. Say hi, Lala Chan, and let's dance together with our 5-years-old King Squirrel, Lala Chan. In 3, 2, 1, dance. Very good, Lala. Ay, sabayin natin si Lala Chan. Ayan, let's say hi, Lala Chan, yung nasa ball area. Hello, everyone. Let's say hi, Lala. Ayan, sanda naman natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area at nasa Nalipiri area. Hello po, welcome to Kids on the Ligas. Let's say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala. Alright, sanda naman natin dito si Lala Chan. We're going to play. Ayan, nandito naman tayo sa toy corner. Hello, everyone. Ayan. Okay, dito na tayo, kids. Ayan, samahan natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area. Ups. Be careful. Yung mga nasa trampoline, let's invite them, Lala. Let's say hi, Lala Chan. Yung mga nasa ballpool, nasa trampoline, hello po. Ayan, sabay naman po natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area. Now, let's go at the event area. Sundan na natin si Lala Chan. Okay. Lahat ng kids ay welcome po mag-join. So lahat po dapat nandito ng 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, kids. Hands up. Taas ang kamay, shake. Shake your hands. Alright. Before we start, I am requesting all the guardians sa labas po muna tayo ng ating event area so we can maximize the space. Okay, huwag natin paluin si Lala Chan. Please move backward. Move backward, please. Ayan, please move backward. Hands up and shake. Now, arms forward. Arms forward tayo lahat. Lala Chan, pakita mo ang arms forward. Very good, Lala. Now, arms sidewards. Okay, now arms down. When I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! Lakasan po natin. Hi! Alright, balik pa rin naman natin. Hello! Alright, once again, good afternoon, kids. We are the event team of Kids of the Legazpi. My name is Kuya together with Ate Da, Ate Val, and of course, the 5-years-old pink squirrel, the very bubbly and jolly. From Japan, Lala Chan! Say hi, Lala Chan! Hi, Lala! Ayan, Lala Chan, marami tayong kids ngayon. Mag-play tayo kasama sila. Are you ready, Lala, to play? Okay, kids, are you ready to play? Lakasan pa natin. Are you ready to play? Yes, ready na siya. Oh, yes, ano yung Lala? Bakit hindi pa? Ay, oo nga pala. Sorry na, Lala Chan. Nakalimutan ko. Sabi ni Lala Chan, before we start the game, meron muna tayo warm-up dance. Sino marunong mag-dance dito? Taas ang kamay natin. Kung marunong mag-dance, ayun, Lala Chan, maraming marunong mag-dance. Our first up, Lala, is ayan, clap your hands. Very good. Clap your hands up and down. Next, Lala, is stomp your feet. Ayan, ganyan daw po. Stomp. Ayan, left and right yan, Lala Chan. Are you ready, Lala, to dance? Kids, are you ready to dance? Alright, let's start. Clap in 3, 2, 1. Clap. Clap. Okay, very good. Clap. Okay, left, right, left. Very good. Now get ready to clap. In 3, 2, 1. Start clap. Very good. Now stop.
Stomp your feet.
Now let's swing.
Swing your arms.
Swing. Shake.
And sing with me.
Shake. Let's wave. Very good. And let's say hooray. Back your head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees. And sit down. Sit down tayo. Very good. Our game for today is tug of war. Ayan, maglalaro tayo kasama si Lala Chan. So we have a rope here. Meron tayong rope. Ano po ito? Ano po ito? Very good. So we have here a pink marker. Anong color ng marker natin? Very good. We have a pink marker. Ang gagawin natin, magka-count ako yung 3, 2, 1. At ipupull na natin yung rope pag sinabi ko, go! Siyempre, pag napunta sa kagrupo ninyo, yung ating color pink, you got 1 point. At siyempre, meron tayong 3 rounds. Kung sino ang maka 2 points, sila po ang panalo. Naintindihan po natin? Naintindihan po ba? Alright, very good. Yes, Lala? Okay po. Sige po, Lala. Thank you so much, Lala. So, sabi ni Lala Chan, sit down muna tayo. Ang sabi ni Lala Chan, before we start, for our safety reminders, no pushing. Alright? No pushing. Wala po. Magtutulakan. Next, Lala is no jumping. Wala po. Tatalon at last, ni Lala Chan, hold the rope firmly. Ayan, hawakan ng mabuti at hilain ng malakas na malakas. Kaya dapat nakasan natin para manalo tayo. And last, ni Lala is manalo matalo. Lahat po tayo ay panalo dito sa Kizuna. Kinaiintindihan po natin? Alright, now please stand up. Lala Chan, our first game is... Ay, okay, i-separate daw muna sabi ni Lala Chan. Group yourself into 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, ilang 4 ang nabuo natin ng ating balang atin, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay, dito po. Okay, reminders lamang po sa ating mga parents and guardians na meron pong kids dito na 4 years old and below. Pwede pong kunin po muna natin kasi po yung ating game ay recommended po para po sa 5 years old kids and above. Ay, iwasan na lang po muna natin yung ating mga kids na maipit dito sa ating game. Alright, now please make 2 lines. Team A and Team B. Arms forward in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For Team A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 members. Very good, Team A. Ayan, ilan sa'yo Ate Val? Ayan. Nasali ka, kuya? Ayan, nasan po yung guardian po nito? Ayan, nasan po? Ayan, okay lang po. Sumali po siya. Okay. Ayan, napaka-competitive naman ang ating mga kids. Team A, let's say. Team A. Go, Team A. Go, Team A. Lakasan natin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go Team A! Go Team A!
Very good, Team A. Now, Team B, let's say go. Team B, 3, 2, 1, go. Very good, ready na? Talakasan ninyo, Team A. Go, Team A.
Go Team A!
Okay, now, let's arms forward. At lilipat na tayo doon sa ating ballroom area para makapag-start na tayo. Isigaw natin. Go, Team A. Go, Team B. Go, Team A. Go, Team B. Very good. Now, please slowly and please not break the line. Okay, excuse po. Now, kids, dito po kayo. Team A sa ating right side. And left side naman dito sa ating Team B. Okay, please not break the line. Arms forward. Ayan, ready na ang rope natin. Nasaan po ang Virgins ng Team A? Virgins po, ayan, hindi na yung mga Virgins ng ating Team A. Bigyan naman natin sila ng pang-cheer. Ayan, kailangan na yan ang mga kids natin. Pang-cheer. Okay, very good. Ang balaka, hands up. Hands up. Ayan, nasa naman yung Virgins ng Team B. Sasamayan na dito. Bigyan natin sila ng ating pang-cheer. Ayan, supportahan natin ang ating mga kids dito sa game natin. Okay. Gusto mo sumali natin dito sa kabila. Okay, hands up. Hands up, everyone. And shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Release the rope and shake your hands. Very good. Team A, are you ready? Parang mahina. You wanna join? Dito ka sa kabila ng Team B. Okay, Team A, are you ready? Yes, ready na ang Team A natin. Team B, are you ready? Ayun ang ready. Virgins, are you ready? Now let's start round 1. In 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Go! 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Very good. Ayan, kids. Round 1 ay Team B. We have got 1 point goal for the team kasi meron tayo 3 rounds, meron pa tayo second round, babawi tayo, okay? Now, please raise your hands and shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands, shake your hands. Very good. Shake, shake, shake. Let's shake our hands and please release the rope. Bitawan mo natin yung rope. Okay, wala mo nang hawak sa rope. Sa kamay yan, let's shake our hands. Very good. Lalapagin ako sa kanila kung paano mag-shake ng hands. Okay. Ayan, siguro na kailangan ng Team A natin ng pag-cheer ng Guardians. Nasaan yung Guardians natin for Team A? Taas na yung kamay, magiging na natin ang pag-cheer. Okay, Team A. Okay, Team A and Team B. Hands up and let's shake our hands. Bitawan mo na yung rope, wala mo na yung hilan. Okay, Team A. Are you ready? Ay, parang isa pa lang ang ready sa Team A. Team A, are you ready? Very good, Team A. Team B, are you ready? Ready ka na? Virgins, are you ready? Ay, parang hindi na rin sa Virgins. Virgins, are you ready? Let's start round 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! 12, 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, very good! Ginalagay mo na lang sa lahat. Ang magaling naman. Ang galing na sa round 2 ay Team A! Congratulations! 1 point! Ayan, parang na 1 point. Now let's do the third round. Ayan, mag-third round na tayo. Hands up, please. Hands up, everyone. Bitawan mo na natin yung rope, okay? Hands up. Release the rope. Okay, in this round, malalaman na natin kung sino po ang panalo sa ating game. Okay, lahat siya. Hawakan mo lang sa inyong rope para hindi nila panalo. Hilahin. Okay. Ready na ang Team A? Team A, are you ready? Nakasan ka natin Team A. Are you ready? Very good. Team A, Team B. Are you ready? Guardians, are you ready? Alright, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! So let's go, hear mga sa TV. Ayan, ang gagaling naman ng TV natin. TV! Ayan, ito ba yung TV natin? Hands up, TV! Hands up, let's give Team A 5 claps. And let's say very good. After the clap, alright? 5 claps and let's say very good. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good! Alright, alas, sabi na naman tayo. Team A, the winning team. Congratulations, Team A. Okay. Team A. Let's give 3 claps for Team B. Sasabihin natin, good job. After the clap natin. Alright? In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Alright, balik na tayo dito sa aming event area for the surprise. Ay, may surprise na yun sa ano kaya yun? Okay. Everyone, let's go. Ang gagawin naman yung team natin. Super pila yung team. Laking paliwalan child. Okay, hands up. Touch your head. Head, shoulder. Toes. Toes. Where's the toes? Head. Shoulder. Toes. Hands up, everyone. Get ready to dance. Our final dance. Ay, ang favorite na lalasan. Okay, ano yung lalasan na favorite mo? Okay, ganyan daw. Oh. Slowly up and slowly down. Get ready, everyone. In 3, 2, 1. Slowly up your hand. And slowly down. Get ready to jump. In 3, 2, 1. Jump. And march. Very good. Down and march. One more. Okay. Down. Now get ready, everyone, to shake your hands and let's shake. Make a wave. Other side, now down your shoulders. Touch your head. And let's jump. And wave. Make a circle. Make a fish. Let's march. And let's jump. And Lala Chan? Dito ka lang, Lala Chan, sa gilid. Okay, now kids, please sit down. Ayun na po tayo. Sit down po tayo. Sit down, sit down. Ayan, kids. Are you ready for the surprise? Are you ready for the surprise? Let's open the box. Sabihin natin, 3, 2, 1, surprise! Okay, sabay-sabay. In 3. Surprise! Alright, kuha na tayo ng ating mga gift galing kay Lala Chan. Okay, dahan-dahan po, please, now pushing. Pag meron na tayong balon, punta na tayo dito kay Lala Chan. Okay, sit down please. Katabi ni Lala Chan. Sit down na tayo. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture. Group picture taking kasama si Lala Chan. Okay, sit down please. Sit down, sit down. Okay, sit down tayo. Taas ang balloons. Itaas ang balloons. Itaas ang balloons. Okay, sit down po. Sit down. Sit down tayo. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay, raise your balloons. When I say Kizuna, everybody will shout, hooray! Okay, ate, wave yung balloons na. Ganito. Okay, anong i-shout natin? Hooray! Gusto ko yung malakas na malakas. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Gusto ko yung malakas na malakas pa. Okay, mga parents and guardians, sa gitna tayo para mas maganda po ang kuha natin. Kids, sabay-sabay in 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Very good. Alright, gusto ko malakas pa doon. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Very good. Mas man sa the cameras. Alright, Lala Chan, please come here. Ayan, it's time for your message. Okay, kids. Taas ang balloons, taas ang balloons. Very good. Okay, Lala Chan, anong gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga kids? Okay, sabi ni Lala Chan, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ayun kasi nag-enjoy din si Lala Chan. Nag-enjoy din si Lala Chan kasama kayong lahat. Sinong gusto mag-birthday kasama si Lala Chan? Ayun, lahat naman siguro. That is why we are inviting all the parents and guardians na magpa-party na po dito sa amin sa Kidzuna. For more information, please do not hesitate to ask our friendly partners. Kids, meron si Lala Chan pupuntahan na birthday party. So, let's now say bye, Lala Chan! Alright, see you again tomorrow at 2:15 in the afternoon for another sports activity. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. I am Augusto.